I think we're live. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I don't think there's anyone yet, but for the people that are rewatching it, welcome. We already took one pretty annoying loss this morning. I don't really seem to like Mondays, but yeah, we're gonna make the most of it. Gonna do some analysis. I just received another funded account, so if we see a solid setup, we want to take it on the funded account as well. We're currently in a trade, but I wouldn't necessarily say it's a revenge trade, but I don't know, it isn't what I originally wanted the trade to look like. It's the one that I got stopped out of. As you can see here, this morning we took a trade. It was like based off my original trade ID where I was like looking for it to retrace to the area of interest. Like if you can see the daily chart, it's a clear bearish trend, right? So we're just simply looking for like a continuation of like this downwards trend, and then like a retest around here to go down. That's what we were looking for, but sadly, as you can see, it went up a lot higher. Originally I drew up this area of interest, which I thought was fairly solid, but then I noticed that the 4-hour 50 EMA was here, and also the Fibonacci that I drew up, like the 0.6, was like exactly on the 4-hour EMA. So I was like, that's probably gonna have a retracement, which it did originally. Like as you can see here, we had like a nice little retracement. Like I entered like pretty much at the top, had a retracement of like, how many pips is that? Like over 30 pips, like around 30 pips. But then, as you can see, within like two 15-minute candlesticks, I got stopped out. So that was kind of annoying. Let's see if I can like make the chat appear here. Studio modus, docs, I think it's here. Chat. Yeah. All right. I think I have the chat now. Let's put it here so I can see it nicely. Should be good. So yeah, not the trade that we wanted, but overall, like my philosophy is mostly like if the previous candlestick was bearish, then most likely the next one will also be bearish. It's really simple. The last weeks, stop with this stuff. The last week's candlestick ended up like pretty bearish, like closed under like the previous sort of lows. So my thought process is that this week will probably be bearish, or at least like test the lows of last week, right? And since that hasn't happened yet, and it hasn't broken through the highs yet, it will most likely like go down. But yeah, obviously it's a lot more of a big bullish push than I anticipated, so I might be wrong. I would have loved it to like retrace from over here, but yeah, we'll see what ends up happening. I'm not fully confident anymore in the trade, but overall still, I don't know, it's okay. But yeah, we wanna look for some better opportunities because this isn't perfect. Obviously, this isn't what we want. This one would have been like super clean, and I was like 500 up in profit or something, and then within like half an hour I went to like 400 plus drawdown, so like a $900 swing in like less than half an hour, like 20 minutes or so, which is like kind of crazy. So that's not a good morning to have, I would say. Doesn't give you a lot of confidence, but yeah, that's fine. Let's just see if we can look for something better. Let's see. Euro CAD is one of the things I intended to look at. Where is it? Euro CAD here. But I think this one also like surpassed the area of interest. Oh, this is like a trade I apparently took or I put down, but if I took it like this, I would have been stopped out, but it did eventually like hit my original TP, but yeah, of course that didn't happen. Let's see where I got stopped out. Don't know if I took it or not, or if it was like sort of sometimes I put it there to just see what happened if I would have taken trade. That makes sense. There are a lot of lines here. Let's see if the like how the time frames are shaping up. The weekly is clearly still bearish, and it will remain so for a while. Last week's really engulfed, so most likely this week will be bearish as well. But that's why I don't really like the Mondays, because what I explained to someone yesterday as well is that with the Mondays, it mostly like creates a wick. Like almost every candlestick you see has a wick, like almost all, not everything, but most of them. And in my opinion, a lot of the times the wick gets created on the Monday. So let's say you think the weekly will be bearish, right? Then sometimes the Monday will be bullish just to create that wick, right? Which is kind of annoying. That's getting me like stopped out a lot of the time. So I really need to be more aware of that. This daily is old, but yeah, the daily is bearish, clearly. I think I'm gonna just remove the lines, but I can have a simple check if well, this was what I was actually intending to start doing. Like whenever there's like, let's see, like whenever there's like a sort of a trend, right? Like higher low, higher high, lower low, etc. You you can't have the one without the other, right? But it gets kind of messy with like all sort of these lines. So what I was thinking of doing, instead of like having both, I would just skip this one, like the higher low, because it's kind of obvious, right? You can see it instantly, and you can just keep like the lower high, because as soon as it breaks above and closes above, then it turns bullish, right? But until then, it will just like everything in between is nothing. Like everything in here, like between this area and this area is nothing. So if the trade would go like this, blah 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 blah, like this, nothing changed. It's just consolidating. So if I just leave like the lower high, remove like the higher low, I'll just update like sort of whenever this turns push under, I'll just put the higher low lower, and well, actually no, I mean I put the lower high like on the next lower high, and I just know that it's still bearish, and I know that the last low is the low, if that makes sense. Like it's super simple, but it saves some of the lines, because the lines get kind of, I don't know, they kind of get in the way sometimes. In my opinion, they just distract. So, but it's nice to have them sometimes just to confirm for yourself, oh yeah, it's bearish, or yeah, oh yeah, it's bullish, just to make it a little bit easy to see sometimes. But you don't want it to distract you too much. So let's see. The 4 hour is still bearish as long as it doesn't close above here. So it's really tested it. So this is lower high. Really tested the lower high. Like the lower low is now this, right? But I don't really need to put it here because, yeah, it's quite easy to just see. So I can remove this one, keep the lower high. I just know it's bearish because it's lower high, lower high. And the weekly was bearish as well, lower high, but I can keep this one because it's really far down. So it seems like it really it pushed sort of past a strong area of interest, like multiple touches, as you can see here. So let's see. It is around like the 50 EMA as well on the daily. It is like really close to the 200 EMA and the 50 EMA on the 4 hour as well. It's under it right now. I do like this 1 hour structure. I do like that it's sort of rejected pretty clearly. Then a doji. So in my opinion, the chances of it actually like doing this is lower than it's doing this. I think it will go down most likely. Sometimes I check like this as well, the technicals down here to see what the technicals are saying. They're saying neutral, so no strong indication there. Let's go to the lower time frame, see if there's like a shift of structure or anything. No, the 15 minutes is still bullish, but this was like a pretty strong rejection, right? In 6 minutes this will close. If this closes as a doji, like this also pretty strong rejection. So we have like 1 rejection, 2 rejections, and then possibly this also being a rejection if this closes as doji. And then yeah, I don't mind opening the trade sort of like this. But just let's see how this will unfold first. Because the thing is, I'm already like in a euro trade, so I'll be in like 2 sells on the euro, which is okay, but I don't want to put like all my eggs in one basket, if that makes sense. So I might want to look for like a USD sell, or not a sell, a USD trade, because the euro just seems to be like super bullish today for some reason. So let's just, I think I need to play it a little bit more safe. If this closes above here, then the next like higher low is this one, and then it can easily break. So I'll just put my sort of alarm under here and just pay it another visit as soon as it's like goes under. If the 15 minutes shift structure, I'm like a little bit more confident that that it will actually go down. But in order to do so, what I said, we need to create like a new high, because this one is fairly low, right? So if like if this doesn't close above this one, above the last high, then this will still remain the higher low. Like everything in between here and here is now just consolidating, like it is nothing. So we need to have it close above in order to then have like the higher low sort of lower, which makes it easier to shift structure, if that makes sense. Okay, just gonna keep an eye out on it, but not massively important. There was another one I wanted to look at. Let's see. I'm just looking at like another analysis from someone, just to see what he's doing, just to get some inspiration. His area of interest actually like a little bit higher than mine, and it's bigger, so he pretty much has it like this. Then he has this one as well. I don't really draw my areas of interest this big, but to be fair, it's 500 pips or something. Just to get some inspiration. His thing does look different as well. It's like weird. Like this candlestick for me is a lot different than his. Like his one has a wick, and we're all both like in Owanda, which is kind of weird. So I'm not sure why that is the case, but oh well. Yeah. So yeah, we're at the area of interest, which is good. We are at the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. The thing that I don't really like though for a sell right now is that the last day engulfed the previous one. So I think this will be more likely a sell for tomorrow. Like for me, it doesn't really make sense that it will fully like go down today. But for tomorrow, this might be interesting. Yeah, or maybe like later on tonight. Like if the next sort of 4 hour candlesticks close as like a doji around like on top actually like on the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA, like I'm more keen to enter this trade. There's like quite a nice amount of downwards potential. It could even go like lower, of course. Yeah, I do like this for a sell, but I also see it to be possible that it will like create a higher wick to the top. So I'm not fully confident yet, but I'll definitely place this more up there to keep an eye out. Let's see if the 4 hour shift structure as well. This is an interesting one to just keep an eye out for the next few hours. Um, all right. GP cat. Yeah. Euro USD is like not being super friendly to me today, which is fine. I did overtrade it a little, like to be honest. Okay. I do like how this sort of looks right now, but struggling around the the EMA, and the area of interest. This might be an interesting short. 800. The only thing I don't really like is that the previous day was bullish. This trade would be like super clean if the next day like if this daily candlestick closes like this, it would be like a really nice sell. This would be perfect, but sadly it hasn't closed yet. This one did close under, which is nice, so the weekly turned bearish. Already analyzed this before. All time frames turn bearish, however I don't like the monthly candle. It looks like it wants to fill the wick of last month. Yeah, this is a scary candlestick. Also, it's really already sort of tried to push under last month's lows but failed. And the overall monthly trend is like super bullish. Yeah. This is a hard one. Let's turn our beautiful indicator on. See if that has like something. Good to like add. Does look like it's struggling. I need to keep an eye out on this one for later on today. This one is like super difficult. It's like giving a lot of mixed signals, if it makes sense. Like you could also consider this structure, like especially on the 4 hour. Might go through here and then, yeah. Right, let's just keep an eye out on it. GBP USD. AUD CAD. Oh, it's nearly at my admin area. Oh, actually, there was like an alarm that went off, right? Yeah, this one. Damn. It said the USD is taken over. Oh yeah, I remember this trade. This one was crazy. With like I normally don't really draw out trend lines, but this one was like so good. Is this something? I kind of want to use like trend lines more. I don't know why, but it feels like a lot of people look at them. Since I haven't traded with them a lot, I don't really know the sort of the rules or like exactly how they work. But like for instance, this seems like trend line with like some tests. This one is like a perfect sort of test on it as well. So I wouldn't be surprised that if it like tests it and goes down in combination with like the potentially daily EMA catching up, but I'll set my alarm because I'm curious if it's like actually if they're actually that strong, you know? Think it will give a reaction. So we'll see. If the candlesticks like give a signal that it will go down after, then we're down. Down to give it a shot. But oh yeah, AUD cat so close to the area of interest. Yeah, this is a super nice area of interest. Like just overall really clean. So it does make sense if it respects it, but on the other hand, like the last week's candlestick was a pretty strong rejection, I would say. So I would be surprised if like this week already like is super bearish, if that makes sense. I think this one will be a little bit more hesitant, like a little bit more iffy. And yeah, tired. Yeah, it's worth a shot if it gives a strong signal. Euro USD is like, yeah, I was about to say, it's about to stop me out. I've risked way too much on this. 700 or still. Like I risk like over 3% on this trade right now. Which is bad. Also, this was like, this is a 25k challenge and I was already like up to 26k or something. So we just went down like 2k because I wanted to like force it, get it really quickly. Like all these trades, if the Euro USD trade went my way, I would have passed the account like instantly. Like I had like my take profits like really like high, and I went up with like I don't know, I went for too big of a trade, I guess. Keep doing that, but oh well. All right, I'm going to the toilet real fast. Say hello to my beautiful cat. Was just chilling on my lap, no worries in the world. Back. Why does trading like sometimes feels super easy and sometimes it suddenly feels a little bit hard? It's weird like that. All right. Mm. GBP, USD. Where is GBP USD? Oh, there it is. Seems like the, what's it called? the pound, right? The pound and the euro have been like pushing really hard, or maybe the dollar has been falling. I haven't even taken a look at the dollar index. Yeah, it seems like the dollar has just crashed. Yeah, the dollar is really taking a huge L. This is old. Did turn all bullish. It is a structure now though, so I really hate Mondays. uh, Maybe I should just make that a thing where I just don't really trade like on Mondays, or that I only look at the market or something. I don't know. It seems like the Monday is just such a weird day to trade. Also the Friday, but more so the Monday, I would say, because it doesn't. I don't know. It doesn't really follow the rules of Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe as well Friday. For me, like a lot of times it just wants to create a wick, or like, I don't know, like test your sort of trade ID to the other side, and then the next days it will just slowly go your way most of the time. It's close like this is nice. I guess this happened. Yeah, but I didn't take advantage of it apparently, which sucks because this was like perfect. I drew it up like really nice, and this would have been a nice little trade. It's like almost 200 pips. Sucks. Sometimes you just don't take the winners, and yeah, you end up with the losers. This is looking pretty nice. It shifts, like this is the new higher high. So this is the new higher low on the 15 minutes. So if it closes under, the 15 minutes turn bearish, and I could look for an entry. just received like the funded account. I really need to get a nice trade on it. Because tomorrow and like Friday or something, I can request like a small little payout. But yeah, there are nothing to write home about. This one is just like so super bullish, which is annoying. Like you don't really want to trade against it, right? Yeah. Really? AUD cat? There are a few trades that start to look pretty nice. Yeah, this isn't fully at the area of interest. But you could argue that it could be placed a little bit lower. On daily, not so much, to be honest. Like the trade would just be a lot cleaner. Like if the... Oh, alarm. Which one? Yeah, which one? GBP USD. Oh, it's the one that I just placed. Like if we can get into this trade with like this closing under, it's sort of wicking a little bit to the upside like this, and then we can enter with like not too big of a stop loss, 200. I can risk like 100 on the account. That would be great. Yeah, we do need the 15 minutes to close under here. And surely it will just not go instantly down like this. Surely it will go up a little bit to create a wick, and then hopefully we can find that wick. And yeah, but there's a lot of ifs, and it's not. I don't know. I don't really like this hourly candlestick. Like I actually only really want to enter like around here with a tight stop loss. Like this. Yeah, like this. This is pretty much the only way I should be interested in it. Yeah. Let's see if it first closes under 3 minutes. Anything else happening here? GBP cut. Everything is like suddenly moving. That's because it's almost, really? It's almost 4. So a lot of volume. New York jumped in, so. I'm curious how many people this reaches. Oh, I got 1 like. Thank you, whoever did it. If you're still here. Says 1 chat message, but I didn't see it. Why can't I see like the chat messages? Alright, it seems to be closing under. Let's just get the account ready. I think it's this one. The highest one, funded 10K. Yeah. GBP USD, right? Or is it? Yeah. I really wanted to wick first, but don't leave without me, please. AUD cat really had a strong rejection from around the area as well. It's kind of hard because they're, I don't know, it's not, they're both not ideal, but they're definitely not bad. I'm not sure, bro. This one is hard. Some hard decisions right now. I do like these arrows, but they get in the way so fast, so I need to play some like more like this because they're just annoying otherwise. I don't know, just on the weekly it looks weird. Like I don't think that this week will just go low. So like the only way I should be interested in a trade is like a short little trade where it's like, I don't know, like this. Like this could be okay, for instance. If this closed like a doji like this, then yeah, sure. I'll I'm trying to fix the chat, but it's for some reason. Bro, I tried to log in. Can I don't know. I hope I didn't miss a chat because that would be annoying. The whole point of live streaming is that you can actually like talk to the people that chat, but it says I had a chat message, but I can't seem to find it, so. This is difficult because you want the 30 minutes to close under, but you want it the 15 minutes to create like sort of a wick, so get a nicer entry. Also the 1 hour doesn't look amazing. I think it will definitely like go up for a little bit. Let's just see. AUD cut. This looks good as well, but they're all like not perfect for some reason. Like the daily turned bullish. Previous week was also bullish. I might actually be looking for buys here. Like I don't know why I'm actually like, I don't know. Should have been looking for buys potentially. Around this EMA, this would have been a nice buy to this area of interest. It was already like on an area of interest. It was with the 50 EMA support. Like this would have been like a nice buy. Sadly, I didn't take it. TVP cat, however, like all these trade have something that I don't really like, which is annoying. If it closed like this, like a doji, it's nice. Yeah, then it will be a nice sell. I think this one is my favorite for now. But the technicals say buy. You know what I mean? Like all these sort of trades have like something against them that doesn't make them amazing. This daily candlestick is bullish, so the previous one, I mean. So do you really want to go for an instant sell on the next one? This 4-hour structure does look really promising though. It seemed like this, it tests sort of the neckline. Oh, this is the neckline, but yeah, this looks like a little retest of around the neckline of the head and shoulders. So this looks nice. So just keep thinking that there must be like an easier trade out there. Mm -mm -mm -mm. Let's just keep an eye out. People are talking about Euro cat. Let's ask them if they're not feared about like the previous. Someone is in a buy on AUD cat. He did a trade that I was just mentioning. All right, so the 1 hour didn't close under, the 30-minute didn't shift structure. So yeah, this doesn't look like a solid buy right now. Only the 15-minute shift structure, but that's not super strong. Four-hour actually turned bullish now. Yeah, the 4-hour turned bullish. It closed above. So the 4-hour turned bullish. The daily not yet, of course. Should actually be looking for like maybe simple buy on this one, but the good and the bad part about having no strategy is that it's kind of chill. You can just look for whatever suits you. The bad part is that sometimes you don't really know what you're looking for. I really want to sell on this one. However, it doesn't make sense if the daily to like close super bearish. So it's weekly strong. Euro cut. Such difficult trades today, huh? I think I should just be looking at the lower time frame. This 5-minute candlestick really gives a strong indication that will go down. And then I could just lower the stop loss to make it like I'm not even in risk anymore. I think that's where I should be looking for more, like just lower time frame stuff. Does this still make sense? Not really, yeah. Set an alarm here. Yeah, it's another euro trade. Another euro. Damn. Yeah, I just need to look at the candlesticks. This is clear rejection. Just go for a sell after it. I just need to start doing that. Like, keep it simple. Let's see if there's something to get here. I think we'll have like a retracement to over here or something. Okay, I think I'm going for a sell here. GBP USD. Okay, we're in with the funded accounts. Risking 102. And the stop loss, like the take profit, I don't want to be greedy. I don't want to be greedy too much, but I think this could very well happen. 50 EMA is there though. And it would, let's use my beautiful indicator here. Well, the next demand zone is like all the way over here, but where's the supply zone? Demand zone, supply zone. I don't really use these terms a lot. Demand is a lot of people want it, so that must be like the buy, like the sort of low. And supply, a lot of people want to sell it for that. Yeah, so supply is the top. It's kind of crazy to short, huh? After like such a big bullish move, but we're in it, so we're gonna accept it and go from there. Scary thing is that this is like a one-step account, so you get easily sort of stopped out because it takes like your floating profit as well. Mm. Okay, what's going on? Like, I'm not complaining, but what's going on? This seems too fast. Like, look at this 1 minute candlestick. I don't like this. I think it will bounce, but like, what's the reason for this? What's going on? My heart's going fast, which isn't good. Okay, I'm fine. That's fine. All right. We've secured a $250 payout, which is nice, but what the fuck just happened? Like, what? What is this? This went just too fast for me. Like, I don't trust it. So yeah, it went into this sort of demand zone. Yeah, all right. I'm okay with just jumping out. It might actually go like way lower, but I don't know. I'm sometimes I'm not I just don't have the balls, I guess. It's going lower. Where did I jump out? Like here. Yeah, I don't mind like $200 with like the fee deduction and stuff. I think it's still nice. So still nice. I think it's nice. So I don't think I'm able to like collect it quite fast. Let's see if I can show it. Wait, what? The Euro USD is also going crazy. This is my another trade. 600, but this is still like the challenge account. I took like huge L's on it today, so it's nice that it's actually like doing something back. Damn. if you're new here, like subscribing would mean a lot. You'll be the 30th subscriber, so that's a nice little milestone, isn't it? But yeah, welcome, welcome. Let me know if you have any questions or whatever. Like I'm here to just chat with people and I don't know, both get better. All right, so if I took the AUD CAD trade, I would have won it. Euro USD is still. I went out somewhere here, right? Let's see if I can show it, if I can, or if it's like showing my name. I don't think it will. I'm not fully like confident in showing my name and stuff yet. I don't know if I will at some point, but yeah, so this is the account, the funded account. That we just like got the trade on. 1% win rate means 100%. We took one trade. I just need to trade one more day and then I can request a payout in whatever, like, I don't know how fast, like 1 week, 2 weeks. But yeah, overall really happy with this. It's nice. I needed some new payouts to come my way. All right. That's nice. That's very nice, very nice, very nice. Happy with that. I kind of want to secure a profit here as well. Because I don't want such big drawdown. I don't like it. Mondays are so crazy. Alright, I think I'll close it. I prefer to get like at least like 500, right? So this should be very close. 479. Okay, that's good. That was stressful, bro. That was stressful. If you weren't here, like, oh, this one, this trade went like bunkers, like so fast. I had my TP like way higher. or way lower, but it went so fast that I was like, okay, fuck this, I'm out. And I secured like $250, which is nice, but nothing too crazy. Just nice to have like a little payout coming our way again. I really want to try to give like the 100k FTMO another chance, so it's a nice little way forward. Kind of want to sell here, but I don't want to do it like on the funded account anymore. I have the 50k account. Let's just start doing some work on that one. Which was it? GBP cut. I don't know, like I'm so twisting every single time between should I buy here because I think this is rejection candle, or should I sell here because I think the wick will get filled, right? Like it's such a difficult sort of conundrum because sometimes the one thing happens, sometimes the other thing. Lately I would be selling here, but maybe I should be buying here. This definitely gives me vibes that it wants to go further down. Yeah, GBP cut, it's gonna. This is a 50k account, so I don't really know how much I should risk. I think like 2 lots is nice. All right. 300, that's like 0, oh yeah, it's not even 1%. Okay, so I got secured like a little bit of profit on the 25k account. Got some losses back, so that's nice. So yeah, that was perfect scenario. Like I first trade on the funded account, instantly got like a nice little profit, so I can secure a payout on it. And then the rest of the week I can request the other payout tomorrow and then another one on Friday. So then I get the one where I requested tomorrow. I think I'll get it back like 2 days after or something. So I might even be able to trade on it again on Tuesday or Thursday or Friday, and otherwise next week. So next week I'll have like 2 funded accounts ready for trades again, and hopefully this week I can try to secure another one. That would be amazing. So yeah, but a nice little start. All right. All right. Oh, bro. I'm happy with this. It would be amazing if I can get like another subscriber, then my day would be like really great. This does look like rejection though. Some hmm. Six, 8, 28. To like instantly pass or how much percent do I need? Like I think 8. That would be crazy. Should be looking for these trades, like honestly. Just dojis. I think that should just be my bread and butter. Recognizing like good dojis, and I think dojis are just so good. Oh, I'm happy, bro. I'm happy. Okay. Yeah, I might just like fuck it and go for like a cheeky little buy instead of a sell. Which is weird, I know. There's such a strong rejection. And the 15-minute doji. I shouldn't mess with dojis, like I should just only like doji went down. Doji went down. Doji went up. Let's find myself another doji where I actually like can take advantage of. It's at the 50 EMA on the 15 minutes. 4 hour last one was very bullish. It's near the 200 EMA on the 1 hour. It already gave a bullish. Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy here and set the USD. Damn. I'm getting wrecked. No. GB cat is starting to look pretty nice. Or like all these funded accounts like in a row. It really looks like it wants to go down like on the lower time frames, but not sure about the daily. Into the USD. Nice little pump. GB cat. I don't know which one it is. This one. Why am I pressing 2 lots? I don't know. Fuck that. 1 lot. My greedy little self got just exposed there. My greedy self did get greedy again. Probably instantly get punished. Just go down already. I didn't even add this one. And set the USD. And set the USD. I opened at 469. I don't even know, like, what's my TP on this one? Why? Tell me why ain't nothing but 695. Oh, it's actually a small little trade. All right. Just go down, buddy. Whoa, that's 4 hours. It's looking disgusting. Yeah, this one doesn't really give me a lot of hope. 15 minutes still looks fine, but just the 1 hour doesn't look really good. I don't really see it like filling this entire wick. But we'll see. All right. Come on, close under. Or at least bearish. What would have happened with this one? Yeah, it was good that I exited. So just wicking on the 4 hour. Nice. Why couldn't you just close like bearish? Okay, test at EMA and go down, please. I think it will explode to the upside. I think it will even close here. And it's not good. I should exit. Yeah, there's one stop loss. Let's just see what happens. But yeah, this is a strong signal. Why am I in this trade? I don't know. I'm gonna hire my stop loss here. Oh, do we see a nice little doji here? Yeah, there's a doji. All right. Let's do 4 lots. Fuck, I was already a little late. No way. With this spread and stuff, it doesn't really make sense, this, but yeah, I should take that into account next time. Like I started selling and I was instantly like $120 down or something. It's crazy. I want to lower my stop loss on this trade. But I can't yet. Oh damn, I got another subscriber. Thank you if it's one of you. Nice. 30 subscribers. That's amazing. That was the goal for today. I don't think it was from this stream. I think it was from a video. I don't know which one though. Need to start placing like some regular YouTube videos again, because I've been placing shorts like non-stop. Nice. That's very nice. Mm. I think I need to stop trading now because I'm going a little bit crazy. Like I'm starting to do this sort of shit. Then you know it's time to go. Way too tight of a stop loss. Too much of a risk for the trade, but I don't. Nice. Oh, bro. It's already been kind of stressful today. How's your trading day going? I really want to lower the stop loss on this one. Should have entered this trade. However, I'm in it right now here. 2 big cats going, okay. NZD USD looks ready for a nice little bullish candlestick, I think. Why does it still say 29 subscribers? I think I have 30, right? But if someone unsubscribed, that would be sad. That would be a sad day. No, I think it's just delayed or something. Oh no. This was such a stupid trade, but that's why I think I need to get off the screen for a bit. Doing 2 lots on this with a super tight stop loss. Isn't really the way to go. Should have waited for this candlestick to close, but I didn't. And I also have like my stop loss like too tight to be under here. Like it would be too much of a risk. Like if I would have taken this trade, it would be fine, but no, I entered with like 2 lots. So then it's bad. Well, with one of my accounts at least. One account is okay. This one was stupid execution. Yeah, that was dumb, so that's fine. Okay, this is nice. I think I want to lower my stop loss here because I'm not super confident. AUD cat. Oh, instantly get stopped out. That's fine. I don't mind breaking even on this trade. It was also another stupid trade because I noticed like I'm like high in my dopamine, if it makes sense. So I'm like starting to, oh, I need to do 2 lots here, 2 lots there, and 4 lots. It was like a 4 lot trade. Like, what the fuck am I doing? Like this is a nice trade, nice stop loss, everything is fine. This is good. White. Where's the stop loss on this one? What's going on? NZD USD. I didn't even put my stop loss yet. All right. I would also prefer to just have like the stop loss lower. 200, 277. It's like counter 10 trade. $367 is fine. Wait, what the fuck? That was so random. I actually put like the stop loss on the wrong thing. Answer the USD. Here, 367. I really think it's time to head off, huh? What's going on here? Risking quite a lot on this one. Yeah. All right. I think that's it for me. Yeah, if you liked this this live stream, subscribing means a lot. Leaving a like, leaving a comment, everything means a lot. Also, I have like a Discord. It's still super small, but and it's really messy still, but more than welcome to join. And yeah, I want to like get a little community going there where we can just like chat about our trades and stuff. So yeah, have a wonderful day. Hope you're having a good, you've had like a good trading Monday, and yeah, hopefully see you tomorrow. All right, bye bye.